All right. So, everyone, I am so excited that I just had to share this with you. I am so happy with what is going on in the storm shelter bed. I cannot believe it. I'm not sure if you had a chance to take a look at the uploaded video I did recently, my short that I did on how I was surrendering this storm shelter bed to the squash bugs that were overtaking this bed and decimating all my squash plants. Now, here are what most of the plants look like. I mean, obviously, there's still a little damage here. They're still diseased. But this right here, I mean, look at this. This is a spaghetti squash that I hand pollinated last week, I believe it was. And it's taken off. So obviously, that is still doing well. I haven't had any female or male blossoms come up on this bed for the last few days. Now, we did have a very huge rain yesterday. I'll insert that right here. But I mean, it was coming down hard. And today, I mean, look at this. Now I have new growth coming in. Healthy new growth. Right here, look at this. A female that I haven't had for days, possibly a week. And this is for a honey nut squash that's coming in. But fortunately, I had a couple of male blossoms and this female blossom here today. So I was able to hand pollinate that blossom. But I mean, look at this. New growth. All this right here, despite, and speak of the little devil, there is a little squash bug right there. Now I would squash it with my hands, but I think you may have seen the last video where I did that and I was disgusted. I'm not so bold today. But I mean, all this new growth. Let me just go ahead and just expose it here. I mean, all this right here, this is all new happy growth. This is all new happy growth. I mean, it's thriving. This. I mean, I thought it was dead. There's still hope. Now, is it the best looking bed? No. But it's producing fruit. It's putting up a strong fight. And look, oh my gosh. There's one right there. You're gonna have to excuse me while I get my little jar of sudsy soap because I'm gonna have to get rid of this one. No, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Are you kidding me? Oh well. He got away, but I'm not stressing. Nope, there he is. Uh-huh. There it goes. One more down. I am so over the moon right now. Thanks for indulging me with this. I just had to share the update with this storm shelter bed here. And what can I say? I mean, God is good. Where there is hope, there is always a way. And this is just a testimony that He has created everything in nature to grow and to thrive. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.